Psalm 23 is a profoundly significant, beloved passage in the Bible that offers comfort, assurance, and a picture of God's intimate care as a shepherd guiding his flock. It illustrates God's faithfulness in providing sustenance, restoring the soul, and protecting believers through life's dark valleys. By emphasizing a personal, trusting relationship, the psalm provides a timeless, therapeutic message of peace, confidence, and eternal hope, reminding believers that they are never alone in their struggles. Let's read it together to bless our day. Psalms 23. 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. 2. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures, he leadeth me beside the still waters. 3. He restoreth my soul, he leadeth me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. 4. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me, thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. 5. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies, thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. 6. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. What are the primary themes of Psalm 23? This passage elegantly illustrates three core concepts: God as our provider, defender, and source of serenity throughout our lives. We see his generosity highlighted in verse 1, "The Lord is my shepherd, I have all that I need," and again in verse 5, where it describes a cup that overflows. These verses reassure us that God does not hold back. Instead of just meeting our basic requirements, he gives so graciously that we move from a state of simple sufficiency to one of total abundance. The theme of safety shines through in verse 4. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. This reminds us that God doesn't always remove the shadows, but he walks directly through them with us. His rod and staff serve as tools of both defense and guidance, ensuring that even in our most vulnerable moments, we are shielded by his presence. The concept of serenity is beautifully captured in the green pastures and still waters of verse 2. This isn't just about physical rest. It's about a deep, soul-level tranquility that God provides amidst life's chaos. By restoring our souls, he offers a mental and spiritual reset that the world cannot give, allowing us to remain calm even when surrounded by enemies or life's pressures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more of the Gospel of Truth. Thank you.